Welcome to our channel, Harry's Info. Today I would like to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A14 phone. For this we need a brush with longer bristles, ones that are a bit stiffer, like this stiffer, but the bristles should be soft or medium firm so that it doesn't scratch the phone. We have a special brush just like that. You'll also need 100% isopropyl alcohol so that after cleaning it evaporates from the port and doesn't leave any residue. You can buy a brush like this in a set on Amazon or Allegro, so you can look for it there. If you don't have that, you can use a regular toothbrush, preferably a soft or medium soft one. Not a hard one, because a hard brush will scratch your phone. And to properly prepare for this entire process, first we thoroughly saturate the bristles of the brush in alcohol. Now, if you don't happen to have a spray bottle available, you can just submerge the head of the brush directly in the alcohol instead. Pour a little into a small container and dip it in. Then carefully pick up your mobile device, and with a very consistent and steady motion in one single direction, slowly clean it until it is spotless. First, move in that direction, in that one direction, about 10 times. Then in the other direction. This brush, which is just a bit longer, should reach all the way to the end of the port so that we can thoroughly clean the port without any problem. Repeat this 5 times in each direction, about 10 times each, and the port will be clean. Of course, we do all of this with the phone turned off, never when it's on, because there could be a short circuit and we might run into some problems. If it's turned off, nothing will happen. We can work calmly and safely. After completing these steps, we put the phone back in its place. We leave it for about 10 minutes so that the alcohol can completely evaporate and we can use the phone normally. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it as usual. But as I said, at the very least, give it those 10 minutes so the alcohol can fully evaporate from the phone. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.